Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Boopathyayyanar, Assistant Professor in Botany, CPA College, Boopathyayyanar. Today we are going to discuss about protein and amino acid. What are proteins? Protein is a large molecule protein made up of chain of amino acid. Protein are found in every cell in the body. Protein are involved in most of the body's functions and life process. The sequence of amino acid is determined by a DNA. Structure of proteins. Protein made up of chain of amino acid classified by number of amino acid in a chain. Peptide favor the 50 amino acid, dipeptide 2 amino acid and tripeptide 3 amino acid, polypeptide more than 10 amino acids. Protein more than 50 amino acids, typically 100 to 10,000 amino acids linked together. Chain are synthesized based on specific bodily DNA. Amino acids are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Structural difference between carbohydrate, lipid and protein. The chain of glucose is synthesized macronutrients of carbohydrate. The chain of fatty acid is synthesized macronutrients of lipid. The chain of amino acid is synthesized macronutrients of protein. The anatomy of amino acid. The amino acid have centrally one carbon atom is there, and right side is one amine group and left side one acid group, and above one side chain bond is there and below one hydrogen bond is there. In below three different types of amino acid is there. First one is glycine and abscitic acid and phenylalanine. Peptide bond link amino acid form when the acid group of one amino acid joined with the amine group of second amino acid, formed through condensation, broken through hydrolysis. Condensation and hydrolytic reaction. Condensation, the peptide bond formed by a condensation when the acid group and amine group of two different amino acids join and release a molecule of water. And the next one is hydrolytic reaction. When a peptide bond are broken by a hydrolysis, the hydroxy group and hydrogen from water are added. Essential, non-essential and conventional. Essential must be consumed in the diet. Non-essential can be synthesized in the body. Conditionally essential cannot be synthesized due to illness of lack of necessary precursor. Premature infant lack of sufficient enzyme need to create arginine. In this table, the first one is 9 different type of essential amino acid, and the next one is 11 different non-essential amino acids. Structure of the protein. 4 level of structure of the protein is there: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure. Any alteration in the structure or sequencing changes the shape and function of the protein. Denaturing, the alternation of the protein's shape and those function through the use of heat, acid, bases, salt, mechanical agitation. Primary structure is unchanged by denaturing. Denaturing protein. The uppermost is a very complicated structure of the protein. It was denaturing by heat, acid, salt and mechanical agitation. Then it will be formed a primary protein. Quick review. Protein are chain of a combination of amino acid. Amino acid contain a carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. Unique amino acids consist of a central carbon with a carboxyl group a hydrogen, a nitrogen containing amine group and a unique side chain. There are 20 side chain and 20 unique amino acid is there. 9 essential and 11 non-essential amino acids. At the time, those became a conditionally essential. Amino acid linked together with the peptide bond by a condensation and break apart by hydrolysis. The attraction and interaction between the side chain cause the protein to fold into precise three-dimensional shape. Protein shape determines its function. Protein are denatured and their shape changed by heat, acid, bases, salt and mechanical agitation. Thank you.